Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Naomi. Welcome back to my channel. As I can tell by the title, I'm going to be reacting to a Cisco choreography, Pure movement choreography to Sex Playlist by Omarion. And this is a requested reaction video from my lovely supporters, Naomi Brown. So girl, shout out to you for requesting this video for me to react to. But before we get started, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're a subscriber, thank you for sticking around. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome or welcome to my channel. Any and everyone is welcome to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the love and the support that I've been receiving on my channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that y'all will know and be alerted when I post my videos. Let's get started.
I believe the time and when this song came on. Oh, know how I feel, but don't know what to say. On the low, turn this up and let it play. Already played a few about nothing, then one or two about fucking, and then I played a couple I made. You all alone, girl, but I didn't say it was you all alone while you were on the phone on your way. Already getting late, girl, you don't have to say shit.
Amazing.
Girl, you know
that is so dope.
Girl, this is the sex play. All alone. I believe the time and when this song came on. Oh, know how I feel, but don't know what to say. On the low, turn this up and let it play. Already played a few about nothing.
If y'all know who she is right here with the black and orange shorts, please let me know, because I see her in a lot of Aaliyah Janelle's videos, and I never got the chance to know who she was, because I like to follow people that I see a lot dance, that I like the way they dance. I mean, not that I don't like the way everybody dances, just that I like to follow people that I see a lot and that I watch a lot, so I can give them their credit, you know? So if y'all know who she is with the orange and black, please let me know in the comment section.
I played a couple I made for you all alone, girl, but I didn't say it was you all alone when you were on the phone on your way. Already getting late, girl, you don't have to say.
Let's go.
Girl, you know why I play this.
Amazing. I love it. So dope. Y'all better work. I love how smooth and just sexy this choreography is. Again, Cisco, you never fail to disappoint. My supporters, y'all be finding some dope videos too for me to react to. Hold on, y'all, let me fix something. Y'all be finding some dope videos for me to react to. And it's amazing. Cisco, fire. Amazing. Love reacting to his videos. Come on, girl, you better go. She had a little miss slip right there, but she got back to it.
And then I played a couple I made for you all alone, girl, but I didn't say it was you all alone when you were on the phone on your way. Already getting late, girl, you don't have to say shit. Girl, you know why I play this. Girl, this is the sex playlist.
Amazing.
I believe I got her
She killed that.
all alone.
And it's crazy because Cisco records his own classes. He's the choreographer and he's the filmer, so he films his own videos. So that's a plus. Dope choreographer and you record your own videos. Amazing.
I believe the time and when this song came on. Oh, know how I feel, but don't know what to say. On the low, turn this up and let it play. Already played a few about nothing, then one or two about fucking, and then I played a couple I made. You wanna know, girl, but I didn't say it was you.
That's those spins. Wow.
Your way, already getting paid. Girl, you don't have to say shit. Girl, you know why I play this. Girl, this is the sex playlist. Can I believe I
Every single group is killing this choreography. Amazing. Like, I don't know what else to say but amazing.
I believe the time and when this song came on. Oh, know how I feel, but don't know what to say. On the low, turn this up and let it play. Already played a few about nothing, then one or two about fucking, and then I played a couple I made. You wanna know, girl, but I didn't say it was.
Her spin was perfect.
When you were on the phone on your way, already getting paid. Girl, you don't have to say shit. Girl, you know why I play this. Girl, this is the sex playlist. Can I
Oops, sorry guys.
believe I got her all alone? I remember when this song came on. Oh, know how I feel, but don't know what to say. On the low, turn this up and let it play. Already played a few about nothing, then one or two about fucking, and then I played a couple I made. You wanna know, girl, but I didn't say it was you all alone when you were on the phone on your way, already getting paid. Girl, you don't have to say shit. Girl, you know why I play this. Girl, this is the sex playlist.
They do not play. After they're done with the choreography, they kill their freestyles at the end. Every single time it gets me. They don't play. Like, they kill these freestyles every time.
Can I believe I got her all alone? Can I believe the time and when this song came on? Oh, know how I feel, but don't know what to say.
Amazing.
On the low, turn this up and let it play. Already played a few about nothing, then one or two about fucking, and then I played a couple I made. You wanna know, girl, but I didn't say it was you all alone when you were on the phone on your way, already getting paid. Girl, you don't have to
Okay, let's go. She killed that. Look at this freestyle right here. Naomi Brown, girl, shout out to you once again for requesting this video for me to react to. Amazing, amazing, amazing. It's so dope. Every single person, every single group is doing an amazing job, and I love it. Amazing. Hands down. Cisco. Love reacting to your videos, for us.
Played a few about nothing, then one or two about fucking, and then I played a couple I made for you all alone, girl, but I didn't say it was for you all alone while you were on the phone on your way, already getting
Okay, let's go.
Girl, you don't have to say shit.
Okay. Love what she did back there. Amazing. They are really killing this. Wow. Naomi Brown again, girl. Shout out to you for requesting this video. I loved every single piece of it. If y'all have any videos y'all like me to react to, please don't be afraid to comment down below in the comment section. Tell me what kind of videos y'all would like me to react to. Give me some video ideas. I respond to all my comments. Every single comment I respond to. So don't be afraid to comment down below. I will not be writing on my channel if I'm my little supporters. So shout out to you guys. You guys are the best. Y'all know that. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for my videos. Peace out.